Sometimes as a politician, as me, you have to say things that don't go down too well with people. The comments that I made about social distancing in our parks received different views from people. Some people agreed with me totally 100% about social distancing. Some people had a go at me. What I was trying to point out was about using common sense and behaving in a responsible way. That was the message. It was clear and simple. And I hope people understood the reasons why I made that. Today I'm making another plea, really. It is exactly what that message says behind me: stay home and save lives. Because the reports that I've been receiving over the weekend and today are telling me that people are not following the guidelines, not following the advice about staying at home. They are actually going about things as if things were normal. They're not normal. They are far from normal. Let me just remind you, there are probably around about 400 Liverpool people, 400 Scousers that have died in this city over the last few weeks. And our NHS staff are at breaking point. Our NHS staff are working 12, 14 hours. Our porters, our care assistants in the hospital, everybody who works across the hospital estate is doing above and beyond the call of duty. People who are working in public services, our refuse collectors, our street cleansers, people across many different areas in our crematoriums and our cemeteries are working really hard to keep services going. People who are delivering to shops, people who are delivering food to people, the volunteers, people are putting their lives at risk to help people. What we can do to aid and assist them is simply to follow the guidelines. Stay at home. Stay at home because it helps save lives. The people that we talk about in the NHS and we say we care for and we go out clapping for them every Thursday, they don't just want us to stand out on the doorstep and clap and pretend that, you know, we value them. They want us to show that by our deeds and what we do. And it's important, therefore, that we follow the guidelines. There are people, as I'm speaking to you, are fighting for their lives in intensive care units in our hospitals. There are people, as I said, nurses and doctors who've got young children and families and grandparents that are, again, putting themselves at risk to support and help us. Surely we can do our bit by making sure that we follow those guidelines. So my plea to you, I urge you today, we are not out of the woods. We are not there yet. We've got people that are, as I said, in hospital as we speak, hundreds and hundreds of people that are really struggling and battling away. We haven't plateaued yet. We haven't started the decline in the numbers of people contracting COVID-19. And until we do, we have to follow the rules. We have to stay home to save lives and to protect our NH staff. Please, please do that. And then we can safely all say that we were in it together.